Look no further. Introducing the Transcription Practice and Accuracy Checker Tool by TCI. When you apply to reputed transcription companies, they have a screening test. Use this tool to assess and brush up your skills before you apply. You'll get instant accuracy results. Let's have a quick walk through the tool and see how it helps you test your transcription skills. Fill out the details and click on the button to get access to the practice files instantly. Browse through the files. Select a file you prefer. Click to open it. You can now see the audio. Click on the sample formatting style sheet to get proper understanding of formatting and guidelines. Your transcript will be assessed on precision, spelling, punctuation, and formatting features like the use of speaker labels. Click on Start Test button to start transcribing the audio. Once your transcription is complete, proofread it for spelling and punctuation. When you are satisfied, click on the Submit Task button to get the results. Your accuracy rate will be displayed. Any errors will be highlighted and you can learn from your mistakes. Use the word per minute feature to improve your speed and make more money per hour. Learn more